Thank you, Srishti and Vinny, for that. So today's topic is more of an addendum of what we discussed a couple of weeks back in the previous session, I think, Pathshala. And we for the first time we discussed something which is not available in any of the classic books on technical analysis. That's counter attack candlestick pattern. Now we discussed one of the important patterns. What I want to do today is just revisit that how that pattern has played out in the benchmark indices, both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, post our session. So we look at the first sample chart of how the candlestick pattern or counter attack candlestick pattern is. So in a ongoing strong uptrend, if you typically see the first day or a first candle which indicates a negativity, where the asset class opens up higher and then closes at the lower point of the day and tries to breach the previous green candle, we call this as a counter attack. And post that, we typically see that the pace of rally slows down and then the asset class or the index or the stock in this case goes into a corrective mode pretty soon. We saw that exact patterns happening on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Now this is the Nifty chart. As you can see, a very strong uptrend which is going on till the couple of weeks of September, and all of a sudden we saw the counter attack pattern. Post that, 3 days of uptick, a mild new high for the index, and post that we saw the index going to a very sharp correction. Very similar observation, we saw it for the Bank Nifty as well, where the Bank Nifty again, this is the Nifty Bank. For the Nifty 50 also, we saw a very similar pattern where the Nifty 50 formed a first major counter attack pattern, 3 days of high and then a sharp selling. This was almost a selling of 500 points on the Nifty and a 1500 points on Bank Nifty. So that's the importance of this counter attack pattern. So it's not a new topic, but then it is something which is very relevant and something which has worked very, very recently post our previous session of Pathshala.